Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great New Year weekend and a great day yesterday and a safe New Year's Eve. Weather wasn't too bad over the weekend. We had some nice mild temperatures, but boy, more of those low clouds and fog moved in. That happened overnight last night, and we expect that to kind of be our weather trend as we make our way through the week. And as we get into tomorrow, we could see more of this. It could affect your morning commute, especially around the Quincy area, also into Ephrata, Moses Lake, maybe even up in Waterville. Foggy conditions throughout Tuesday morning. We could see visibility less than a half a mile as you make your way to work tomorrow morning or school. So just be extra careful, especially tomorrow morning. We've got some changes too, not so much during this week, but as we get into the upcoming weekend, our weather pattern will change. We'll see more storm systems moving down on us from Alaska and Canada. We'll also see some cooler weather as we get into the weekend, but our real significant snow, if we do see snow, I think will be as we get into Monday. And then we're back to winter driving conditions, slick, snow-covered roadways, so be extra careful. We'll talk more about that as our week progresses. Today, high temperature, 38 degrees, and 32 is where we should be for this time of year. Our normal low temperature is 23 degrees, and look at where we were this morning. We have been so warm in our overnight hours, and last night was really no different. 34 overnight. 48 is our record high, by the way. That was set in 2007. Our record cold, 2 below zero in 1969. No new precip yet today for the year. Yeah, we're sitting at 0, and we've picked up 7 inches of snow. And that goes back to October 1st. Sunrise 7:48 this morning, sunset this afternoon at 4:22. All right, let's take a look at temperatures for Wednesday, and they will warm up tomorrow. Not as much low-hanging clouds, but we have showers in the forecast almost every day. 41 for Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy. 40 degrees Wenatchee up into Entiat, Chelan and Omak. Maybe a degree or so higher than that. And then we're talking mainly upper 30s for our higher elevations, Kashmir and Leavenworth. Lake Wenatchee, your high temperature tomorrow, checking in at 36 degrees. Taking a look at what we can expect is our big weather picture. This is the trough of low pressure that will move through and bring us some showers over the next couple of days. And then look at this monster right now around the Aleutian Islands in Alaska. That will head our way, and that will bring us a very rainy week and possibly snow, as we mentioned on Monday. Here's that first storm system and that trough of low pressure just off our coast. We will see showers developing in our evening hours, a 50% chance of rain here in the Wenatchee area. Low temperatures still mild in those low to mid 30s. For Wednesday, I think morning rain as you hit the road tomorrow morning, and then look what happens in the afternoon. We clear out somewhat. Will be mild, as I mentioned, with high temperatures near that 40-degree mark. For Thursday, more showers, cloudy skies. I don't think it's as good a chance for showers on Thursday. I think most of that will stay in the Cascades. We will stay on the mild side as far as temperatures, with highs about 40. Getting you into the end of our work week on Friday, mostly cloudy skies. Another strong westerly flow moves into Washington State, and we could see a rain-snow mix possibly on Friday, mainly because our high temperatures are going to cool back into the mid and upper 30s. That's kind of where our weather pattern change comes in. And then that trough of low pressure develops on Saturday. We could see some very heavy rain in southwestern Washington. We're going to catch some of that as well on Saturday. High temperatures generally when we kick off our weekend in the upper 30s. For Sunday, our best day of the entire forecast. Mostly sunny skies throughout most of Washington State, but look at how this cold air is settling into the country from the north. That's part of that pattern change. Highs in the mid to upper 30s on Sunday, and then for Monday, another storm system set to move in on us. I think this will be our best chance for the wet stuff. Will be on Monday. Rain and snow likely throughout Washington and almost all of Oregon. Going to cool down too. We're going to talk high temperatures Monday, only in those low to mid 30s. Taking a look now at your 7-day forecast. 36 overnight tonight. 40 tomorrow, a 40% chance of mainly morning showers, 30% chance of rain on Thursday, goes back up to 40% on Friday. And look what happens to our temperatures too. We cool back into the mid and upper 30s, 50% chance of morning rain on Saturday. Our best day looks to be Sunday, mostly sunny and 37. And then for Monday, we're going to cool down, folks, but I don't know if we're going to cool down quite that much. We'll be about 34 degrees for our high temperature on Monday, cloudy skies, and a 70% chance of rain or snow.